Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can log out from Messenger, like Facebook Messenger. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and log into your account and go to main menu at the bottom right corner and then click on settings on the top, and then you will see over here this option. Simply scroll all the way down and click on see more in accounts. Click on that, which is highlighted in blue color, and you will comes in this page, and you have to do is click on password and security, and there you will see security checkups. In this you will see on the top where you are logged in, so click on that. And once you click on that, you will comes in this page. You have to select the account and then go over here, and you will see over here this option, and you will see this select device to log out. Simply click on that and then select all the devices that you have logged in. So once you clicked on, and then simply click on logout at the bottom, and then click on logout, and then it's gonna be logged out from the Facebook Messenger. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.